What's up, guys? Stacy here from Becoming Financially Fit, and today I'm going to talk about some of the investments that I make and some of the companies that I invest in, because I get a lot of questions about how do I choose the companies that I invest in. So today I'm going to give you guys a quick run through about when I identify a company and when I decide to invest with them. So first thing first, my golden rule is to invest in companies that I know and I currently use. So when I think about Apple or Google or Verizon, things like that, so those are companies that I already pay money for to use their products. So I know a lot about their company. Things like Instagram, Facebook. Those are things that I use a lot. So I actually get to know the companies and know how they make money. So those are the companies that I first put in a bucket about what do I use, and then I go from there into deciding what should I invest in. And when I think about what companies that I do want to invest in from the companies that I do use, I think about are they going to be able to make money for me? For one, do they pay dividends? So a company like Verizon or AT&T, they pay dividends, and I've used those companies in the past, so I would invest in something like that. Or do they have a prospect of gaining money in the future? So if, let's say, Facebook right now is trading for right around 200 bucks, do I think that price is going to go up? I think so, because they are a booming tech company and they have the opportunity to increase their profitability a lot. So once I found a company that I know and I use, and I've done a little bit of research about their financials, I'll go ahead and invest in the company. And over time, I'll start to keep putting more and more money into those companies. And then I'll try to define more companies that I want to put into my portfolio. So that was just a quick minute lesson on how I pick companies to put into my portfolio. So if you guys like the information, make sure you guys give me a follow, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel so you can stay updated anytime I post new content.